guys, welcome to my tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to do the knockout love tile in Cricut Design Space. So we're just going to go into Cricut Design Space, and first of all I'm going to use a tile. So I'm going to create a template by using a square. So if I go to shapes and square, and I'm going to make this square the width and height of my tile. So then I haven't got to worry about if the wordings will fit in or anything like that, because I know as long as it fits on this template, it will fit. So I've just changed the colour by going to edit, and the bottom left hand corner it's got it had a black dot, so if you just press the black dot, it brings up your colour charts. So I'm just going to create my wording of love. So I'm just going to go to text, and I'm just going to go to search the Edwardian. There we go. And I'm just going to type in love. And I'm going to pop that at the top corner. And I'm just going to make it big. Then I'm going to unlock the padlock and drag it down. Beautiful. And what knockout means is basically I'm going to create some names to go through the word love, and it's going to actually knock out the pattern of the letters. So I'm just now going to go into find to type my wordings that I would like. I'm just going to use the font Butterfly, and I'm just going to type in Gemma Complete. As you can see, these are quite far apart, so I need to go down to actions and ungroup them to make them all separate. I'm just going to zoom in. I'm just going to move these across so that they're touching, because I want the letters to actually be touching. So then I just highlight that, and I wowed it, and I go across to the Kimberley. I'm just going to join it up. I'm going to highlight that and press weld. Obviously they're touching, so we need to weld them. And I'm just going to pop that on the line. Remember, use your grid as a nice ruler, then you'll know if everything is straight as how it should be. And I'm going to go to the shapes. I'm going to get a heart. And I'm just going to put a heart between them, and I'm going to highlight that and press weld so it will come out in one cut. So now it's all together. So I'm going to change the colour by going to edit. Left hand side there's a round dot. I'm just going to select red because that's the colour that I would want the writing. So now you just pop that on top and just get your size. Remember to lock your padlock. Just get your size of so we can do the font, the style, the size of the font that we want for the wording. Okay. Beautiful. Yep, I'm happy with that. So what we need to do is we just need to press on the names and action and duplicate, and just pop one up out the way, okay? And I'm just going to zoom out and bring this back down, and we're going to duplicate again. Now what we're going to do is we're basically going to move it slightly to the right. Duplicate again, slightly to the left. Duplicate again, and go slightly to the right. Duplicate again, and now this time we're just going to go down. And I know it looks weird, okay, but it's fine. Well, then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight it and press weld, okay? Now it's going to look funny, but it's completely fine. So then all we need to do is this tile, just pop it out the way. Pop your word in back on of where you would like it. Then you highlight and press slice. Now watch what this does. Now when I move the word love, it's cut it. You see, it's cut the wording out. So you'd highlight that part and just remove it. Pop your tile back in place. And then get your word at the top and arrange, send to the front. And what you do now is when you layer that in place, you can see the little cuts and the little grooves. Can you see this? Of where it would be. And see, you see there's still some bits about. If you're not happy, you just bring that back down again. Actions, duplicate, put the original up. Okay, and then just do it exactly the same step again. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see. So you just go slightly to the right and then just go to the left. You basically want to create like a big thick border. So obviously the thicker the writing font style, the easier it will be. And then you just highlight and press round. Okay, move your tile out the way. Pop this over the word. So you can see all them little bits in between the L. I'm going to now knock them out just to make a bit bigger of a gap. Highlight, slice. Tap on the word love. Pop it out the way. Delete that. Pop your tile back up. Get your words. Arrange it. Send to the front. And now you've got a big gap. See that one in the L? It's gone now. Okay, so you've got more leeway to play with. And there you go. So then you would just remove the tile, pop the colour vinyl in that you want the love, pop the colour vinyl in that you want your names, and then you'd layer and weed love on top of the tile, and then you would layer this into the gaps, into the position that you want. There you go, guys. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.